Hello, everyone. This is Kwon Lei. I'm the co-founder of Untangled Finance. As the first institutional vault infrastructure provider on Stellar, we have been working with a number of curators. Among them, Stake Capital, Thor Capital, with Indentura, Gami Capital, and soon Centaura. They are going to launch their first vault on Stellar, and one of the common requirements or important aspect of this service is net asset value calculation, in other words, portfolio accounting. So with this project, OctoPos, we are going to make this institutional grade infrastructure available to anyone on Stellar. Anyone can query the portfolio value down to the individual position level with just a G or C address. Now, in building the system, which is now in production for the vault, we have to solve multiple issues. Among them, pricing, especially valuation discrepancies between different protocols. To give you an example, on Blend, the debt position is calculated at different US dollar price compared to the XLM price on Aquarius. So if you have a delta neutral strategy, your debt, which is your short, and your long position are valued at different prices, and therefore they are not delta neutral. Now, that could be detrimental from a strategy perspective because all the system rebalancing and so on will have to depend on accurate portfolio valuation. To demonstrate what it looks like, I'm going to show you the untangled loop application or protocol that we created on top of Blend and Aquarius. So this is a perpetual or synthetic perpetual protocol building on top of lending market and spot exchange. So you can open both short or long depending on how directionally you believe the market is going. What I'm focusing on this would be the position. So here I have both long and short, and I can see what is the size of the position and what is the current P&L. I can also see the detailed information regarding return on equity, which is, of course, taking into account the debt factor, and health, which is how far is it the liquidation price from the current price. And I can see how much earning going down to the level of funding, which is the discrepancy between the fund supply and the borrowing cost on Blend, and a number of useful charts that I can see. So with this project, we are going to bring this infrastructure to anyone on Stellar. We're looking towards working with all of you. And also today is the last day of the Lunar New Year. So Happy New Year. Thank you. Bye-bye.